If you are thinking about buying the Fujifilm X-T5, or if you have been looking at full-frame alternatives like the Sony A7 IV or Canon R6 Mark II, freeze your plans right now. Brand new internal factory registration data under model code FF260001 has just leaked, and it completely alters the high-end camera market. This is not just a minor incremental update. Fujifilm is completely shifting gears to deliver a powerhouse machine that intends to obliterate its competition. Welcome to TechVibe. Today, we are breaking down the absolute truth behind the upcoming Fujifilm X-T6, diving straight into the confirmed architecture upgrades, internal specs, and the one massive physical design modification that has the global photography community completely split down the middle. Stay through this breakdown, because the hardware shifts coming to this retro body will fundamentally change how you invest in glass and gear this year. To understand why the X-T6 is causing such a massive stir across the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and global premium markets, we have to look directly at the heart of the machine, the sensor. For years, creators have faced a brutal compromise. You either chose high resolution and dealt with slower readout speeds and rolling shutter distortion, or you dropped your megapixel count to get blazing fast performance. Fujifilm is attempting to eliminate that compromise entirely. The leak confirms that the X-T6 will debut a revolutionary 40-megapixel partially stacked X-Trans CMOS 6HR BSI sensor. If you are not familiar with sensor architecture, a partially stacked design means Fujifilm is layering physical DRAM memory directly between the pixel array and the underlying logic circuit. This allows data to read out at a blistering velocity compared to a standard CMOS sensor, without driving the retail cost into the stratosphere like a fully stacked sensor would. What does this mean for real-world shooting? It means electronic shutter limitations are practically gone. If you have ever panned quickly across a scene or captured fast-moving subjects with the electronic shutter on older models, you know all about the jello effect where vertical lines warp and bend. The vastly accelerated readout speed of this partially stacked architecture minimizes electronic rolling shutter distortion to a point where it challenges high-end full-frame systems. Combined with the brand new X Processor 6, this camera delivers completely blackout-free high-speed continuous shooting, allowing hybrid shooters to track unpredictable action with absolute confidence. But high-speed stills are only half of the story. The processing power unlocked by the X Processor 6 pushes the video capabilities of this apsc body straight into cinema territory. The X-T6 introduces internal 8K video at 30 frames per second with pristine 10-bit 4:2:2 color depth. For professional videographers and commercial editors, this is huge. You are getting uncropped, ultra-high-definition video directly to your memory card without needing a massive external recorder rigging up your setup. If you do not need 8K, the camera utilizes that massive resolution to produce incredibly sharp, oversampled 4K video at higher frame rates, providing jaw-dropping clarity with zero pixel binning. Fujifilm has also integrated native Apple ProRes and Blackmagic RAW support output over HDMI, giving clean, uncompressed 12-bit files to production houses demanding maximum color grading flexibility in post-production using F-Log2. Of course, all that raw processing power and high bitrate recording generates an immense amount of heat. This brings us to a major internal upgrade that many did not see coming. The internal thermal management system has been completely overhauled. Rumors point toward a highly efficient passive cooling structure, with ventilation points designed to dissipate heat during extended 8K and oversampled 4K recording sessions. To support these massive data streams, the storage configuration is changing too. The dual-card slot array is upgrading, introducing a high-speed CF Express Type B slot alongside a standard UHS-2 SD slot. This gives you the insane write speeds required for ProRes and 8K internal capture while maintaining an affordable backup option for standard workflows. Hardware power means nothing if your shots are not in focus, and this is where Fujifilm is deploying its most aggressive software weapon yet. The X-T6 is packing a dedicated, deep learning AI coprocessor entirely focused on real-time autofocus tracking. It utilizes an advanced matrix of over 500 phase detection focus points. Fujifilm's new deep learning algorithm does not just look for eyes and faces, it instantly identifies, tracks, and locks onto distinct subject profiles including humans, animals, birds, automobiles, motorcycles, bicycles, airplanes, and trains. It holds lock even in extreme low-light environments, making it a reliable tool for wedding filmmakers working on dark reception dance floors or wildlife photographers shooting during the harsh shadows of dawn and twilight. To ensure those shots stay pin-sharp when shooting handheld, the physical stabilization engine has received a major boost. The X-T6 is equipped with an upgraded, ultra-precise 8-stop in-body image stabilization matrix. This system works in perfect harmony with optical stabilization lenses, effectively counteracting micro-jitters and handshake. It allows hybrid creators to leave the heavy gimbals at home and capture smooth, organic cinematic movements entirely handheld, or shoot multi-second exposures without a tripod. This stabilization matrix also drives a mind-boggling 200-megapixel pixel shift multi-shot mode. By shifting the sensor by microscopic fractions of a pixel between consecutive shots, the camera builds an insanely detailed file. For product photographers, archival specialists, and large-format landscape printers, the sheer resolving power here leaves standard full-frame sensors looking soft. However, it is not all praise and perfect specs. Fujifilm has made one critical design choice that has completely fractured the community. For generations, the X-T line has been the holy grail for traditional, stills-focused photographers because of its classic three-way tilting LCD screen. It allowed you to shoot stealthily from the hip or look down into the camera while keeping the screen perfectly aligned with the optical axis of the lens. According to the latest retail and factory leaks, Fujifilm is officially dropping the three-way tilt screen on the X-T6 in favor of a fully articulating side-flip touchscreen. For hybrid creators, vloggers, and solo shooters who need to monitor their framing from the front of the camera, this is a massive victory. It turns the X-T6 into the ultimate single-operator hybrid machine. But for traditional street and landscape photographers, this is a heartbreaking shift. A side flip screen forces you to look away from the center axis of your lens, changes the physical footprint of the camera when open, and runs the risk of colliding with cables plugged into the side ports. It is a polarizing structural change that proves Fujifilm is aiming squarely at the high-end hybrid and video creation market, even if it ruffles the feathers of longtime purists. Despite the screen controversy, the physical ergonomics retain that iconic, tactile retro aesthetic that made the brand famous. You still get the beautiful, dedicated mechanical dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation machined out of solid metal. The chassis remains fully weather-sealed against dust and moisture, maintaining a light, compact body profile that weighs around 550 grams. The official launch window is locked for September 2026, and rumors suggest the body will launch alongside two brand-new, updated X-mount lenses designed specifically to resolve the extreme sharpness of the 40-megapixel sensor. Price targets for premium global markets are expected to land between $2,200 and $2,400. When you stack that up against what full-frame competitors charge for similar video bitrates and stacked sensor performance, Fujifilm is positioning the X-T6 to be a dominant value king. Are you a pure photographer who feels betrayed by the switch to a fully articulating flip screen, or are you a hybrid creator ready to drop your full-frame setup for internal 8K, ProRes, and an AI-driven autofocus system? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments section below. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on the absolute latest authentic hardware leaks, specifications, and deep dive tech breakdowns, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching TechVibe, and we will see you in the next one.